Yo. Yeah. It's summertime and the sun shines on. I'm huffing and puffing and mowing the lawn. All the money that I made this year is all gone. Rock on to the sounds of bougie bonds on. And the sun shines on. I'm huffing and puffing and mowing the lawn. All the money that I made this year is all gone. Rock on to the sounds of bougie bonds.
What time is it? I think you know that. The sun is hot, so I contradict with cold raps. Flat like a rose that we put a hook on. Fired up the barbecue grill to get our cook on. Cold when I brought the bookworms out, but now they inside. Eating raw vegetables, hydrate with enzymes. In times, global warming, swimming pools, volleyball. Didn't see the ring finger flirting with a soccer mom. My whole entourage is living the dream. Midnight party time, flashlight, laser beams.
It was an ordinary sunny day at the Bird's Nest Academy. Rap legend Jamey Bennett, a.k.a. Chunjay, a.k.a. Clever MC, a.k.a. who knows, was on the job, teaching.
Sometimes when you read a book, it's hard to...
That one. Like start trying to read. Yeah. This is even lamer though. Hello?
How can you like these books? You're weird. This book is horrible. This is
Didn't you guys hear what I said? Just can't take this. Okay, kids, it is time for daily oral grammar. Our sentence today is the big donut fell on his head. Let's read this together.
The big donut fell on his head.
Okay, who can tell me what this sentence is about? Who or what is it about? Madison.
The big donut falling on his head.
Yes, but what's the one word that this sentence is about? Edman.
Donut?
It's about donut.
Why would you want to say that for?
Joe, please don't speak out. What does donut...
Mr.
What is donut in the
You
sentence?
just said, what?
It's a what?
It's a subject.
It's the subject.
But doesn't make any sense.
Madison.
Pronoun.
Wrong, I'm sorry. Carissa.
Verb.
I love that you always have the right answer. Joe.
Chicken.
I'm sorry. Carissa.
Adjective.
Perfect.
Noun.
I'm sorry. Carissa.
Preposition.
Of course. Good job. Joe.
Chicken.
No. Carissa.
Article.
Right. Sedona.
Adjective.
I'm sorry, that's not correct. Carissa.
Possessive pronoun.
Yes. Joe.
Chicken.
What's your obsession with chickens?
I love chickens.
Carissa.
Subject.
You got it again.
Adjective.
I'm sorry.
We did this. What's your spell?
Carissa.
Object of the preposition.
Oh, I just love you as a student. You make it worth coming to school every day. If it wasn't for Carissa, I wouldn't show up here every day, guys. I don't know, what am I going to do with the rest of you? I'm out of here.
Okay, fine. We can party.
Look at what you did for poor Mr. Bennett.
Jamey missed his days as a dope rapper, but most of all, he missed his short-lived stint as a private investigator,
Mr. Bennett, I need to see you in my office now.
catching bad guys.
Fine, I will. Fine.
Mike Walker, a.k.a. Gusty Winds, a.k.a. Mr. Blonde, a.k.a. Flatline, also missed his former hip-hopster days, and especially his days solving crimes that, well, were too tough for the men in blue.
Emergency room. Yeah, no. Look, if you've been in a car accident and you're bleeding, yeah, maybe you should come here, okay? All right, okay. Okay, where was I? Emergency. Yeah, no. Look, if you got a cold, go see your doctor, all right? Oh, man. Emergency room. A donut? I don't. Maybe you should come. I haven't seen a donut in years. Yeah, okay, bye. Hey, can I help you?
I ate this.
Aw, that was so nice of that guy. So nice. Oh.
What do you think you're doing in that classroom?
I'm just trying to teach. Look, I'm telling you, out of all the kids I have, Carissa's the only one who gives me any answers.
You want answers?
I think I'm entitled to answers.
You want answers?
I want the truth.
You can't handle the truth. Son, we live in a world that needs to be educated. Who's gonna do it? You? You, Mr. Bennett? I have a greater responsibility than you can possibly fathom. You weep for Pigeon John and you curse the school. You have that luxury, and my existence, while grotesque and incomprehensible to you, educates children. You don't want the truth, because deep down, all you want is to be a detective. We use words like truth, beauty, goodness. We use these words as the backbone to a life spent building something. You use them as a punchline. I have neither the time nor the inclination to explain myself to a man who rises and sleeps under the blanket of the very education I provide, then questions the manner in which I provide it. I'd rather you just say thank you and went on your way. Otherwise, I suggest you pick up a book and get back to teaching. Either way, I don't give a damn. What you think you're entitled to, now get out.
There's some creepy guy that bought you this.
Oh, this is so nice. How perfect on such an awful day where the boss has been yelling at me. I don't know what's inside. Oh no! Not again. It's not even fully cooked. Well, I don't know. I don't know, 6, 7 years ago with this donut, and then this guy comes in and he's talking about peanut butter, and well, see, there's this thing, and I don't. Oh my gosh. Hey, are you alright, man? Are you alright? Hey, wake up. Hey, man.